Okay, this video is going to help you with multiplication, the strategy of breaking apart numbers when you're doing multiplication with 2-digit by 1-digit numbers and all the way up to 4-digit by 1-digit multiplication. So the first problem, I'm going to do a 2-digit by 1-digit. I'm going to do 76 times 4. Okay. So for our break apart method, we choose the larger number and we break it into tens and ones. So there are 6 ones in 76. I'm going to put 6 right there. There are 7 tens in 76. 7 tens equals 70. Okay, so I broke that number apart. And then I take each of those place value numbers and multiply it by 4. So 70 times 4 and 6 times 4. I'm going to do 6 times 4 first because that's a basic fact and we should know that. It is 24. And 70 times 4 seems a little bigger, but we can use our zeros trick. So we can ignore that 0 for a second and do 7 times 4, which is 28. And then we covered up 1 0, so we need to add 1 0 to the end of that, and it gets 280. Now I need to take both of those products, 280, and add them together. 24. Carry my 100 there. And I get 304 as my answer. Okay. I'm going to do another example where it is a 3-digit number multiplied by a 1-digit. So 364 times 6. Okay, so here's my big number, and I'm going to break it up into 3 different places. So in the ones I have a 4, in the tens I have 6 tens, 6 tens equals 60. I have a 3 in the hundreds place, 3 hundreds equals 300. And then I need to come down here, I'm going to do 3 different multiplication problems. 300 times 6, 60 times 6, and 4 times 6. Alright, now that I know my zeros trick, I can start here with 300 times 6. I'll ignore those 2 zeros. 3 times 6 is 18. I had 2 zeros there, so I add those. 1, 2, 3, comma. Okay, 60 times 6. Ignore the 0. 6 times 6 is 36, and then I'll add my 0. And 4 times 6 is 24. And then I'm going to come over here and add all those products together. Need to make sure that I put all my numbers in the right place. I'm lining them up correctly so that I add correctly. 4, 8, 11, 2,184 is my answer. Okay.